Welcome to Lingua Harbor. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to master the English language. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to enhance your existing skills, this video is your comprehensive guide to learning English efficiently. We understand that learning a new language can be daunting, but fear not. We've broken down the process into simple, manageable steps. Each section of this video focuses on key aspects of language learning, from vocabulary building to practical conversation skills. So, grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of English. Our goal is to make this journey as smooth and enjoyable as possible. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap and the confidence to take your English to the next level. Let's start with setting realistic goals. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. By setting achievable targets, you can track your progress and stay motivated. For instance, aim to learn 5 new words a day or to hold a 5-minute conversation in English by the end of the month. Goal setting is not just about what you learn, but also how you learn. You might set goals around improving specific skills like pronunciation or comprehension. Perhaps you'll decide to complete a certain number of lessons each week on a language learning app. Remember, these goals should be tailored to your personal learning pace and lifestyle. They're there to keep you focused and encouraged, not to overwhelm you. Celebrate each achievement, no matter how small, and watch as these small steps lead to significant progress. Immersion is a powerful technique in language learning. It's about surrounding yourself with the language as much as possible. Start by incorporating English into your daily life. Watch English movies, listen to English songs, and follow English-speaking content creators on social media. Immersion also means thinking in English. Try narrating your daily activities in English or even talking to yourself in the language. This constant exposure not only helps in understanding grammar and vocabulary in context but also in getting used to different accents and dialects. Remember, immersion doesn't require you to be in an English-speaking country. You can create your own English environment anywhere. Change your phone's language to English, follow English recipes when cooking, or join online communities where English is the primary language. Speaking English regularly is essential. It can be intimidating at first, but the more you speak, the more comfortable you'll become. Start with simple sentences, and gradually build up to more complex conversations. Don't worry about making mistakes, they're a natural part of the learning process. There are many ways to practice speaking. Join English conversation clubs or language exchange groups. Platforms like Tandem or Hello Talk allow you to connect with native speakers or other learners. You can also simulate conversations using AI language learning tools. When practicing, focus on clarity and pronunciation rather than speed. It's okay to speak slowly and deliberately. Over time, you'll find your rhythm and fluency improving. Remember, every conversation is a step forward in your language learning journey. In today's digital age, a wealth of resources is available at your fingertips. Online platforms and apps offer structured learning paths that cover all aspects of language learning. From grammar lessons to vocabulary games, these tools provide a diverse range of activities. Explore apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone. Each has its unique approach, from game-like interfaces to more traditional lesson formats. They also offer interactive exercises that cater to different learning styles, whether you're a visual learner, an auditory learner, or a kinesthetic learner. Don't forget about the abundance of free resources available online. YouTube channels dedicated to English learning, podcasts for various skill levels, and websites with countless exercises and quizzes can all be part of your learning toolkit. The key is to find what works best for you and stick with it. Consistency in revision is crucial for retaining what you've learned. Regularly revisiting previous lessons helps reinforce your knowledge and ensures that you don't forget important concepts. Set aside time each week to go over past materials, whether it's vocabulary, grammar, or conversation practice. Use different methods for revision. Flashcards are great for memorizing new words, while summarizing a previously watched movie or book chapter in English can reinforce comprehension skills. Regular writing exercises, like journaling in English, also help solidify language structures in your mind. Another effective revision technique is teaching someone else what you've learned. This could be a friend who's also learning English or even explaining a concept to yourself aloud. Teaching reinforces your own understanding and can highlight areas where you need further practice. Engaging with English-speaking communities not only improves your language skills but also helps you understand cultural nuances. Join forums, social media groups, or local clubs where English is spoken. These interactions provide real-life practice and expose you to different accents and slang. Online communities can be particularly accessible. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and share your experiences. Websites like Reddit, Quora, or language learning forums are great places to start. You can also attend English language events or meetups in your area. Remember, the goal is to use English in meaningful, everyday contexts. Don't be afraid to share your opinions, make jokes, or even make mistakes. Every conversation is a learning opportunity and a chance to build confidence in your speaking abilities. As we wrap up this video, remember that learning English is a journey with its own set of challenges and rewards. The progress you make each day adds up over time, leading to significant improvement. Stay patient, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Every person's language learning journey is unique. Don't compare your progress to others. Focus on your own goals and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Remember, fluency isn't just about perfection, it's about being able to communicate effectively and confidently. Thank you for joining us in How to Learn English Fast. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and never hesitate to seek help when needed. Your dedication and hard work will pay off. We wish you all the best in your English learning journey. Good luck!